All right, the trick to keeping your brushes really, really good is, so this is full of epoxy. You can see on here the gloss of the glue is up in there. We're going to kind of pinch and squeeze out as much glue. Move over to the next to it. Pinch and squeeze as tight as you can. And then I have a little shot glass of rubbing alcohol. And then same thing, pinch and squeeze, because the alcohol is getting in there, grabbing onto the epoxy, kind of watering it down. So I do it 2 or 3 times, and then twist and push and pull and all that stuff, and then check it out. Look at that, completely dry, no epoxy left. But I'm going to leave it in the rubbing alcohol just in case there's some up in the root section of this brush, and I might need to use this tomorrow. So I'm going to leave it in the rubbing alcohol and put that aside. And here we go.